So, your diet flopped again, huh? Don't worry, you're not broken. You're just doing it wrong. Let me guess. Monday, new me. Wednesday, full-blown situationship with a pack of Oreos. Iconic. You've been told, just eat clean, bro. Okay, Brad, are we snacking on Clorox now or what? Here's the real tea. Your diet keeps crashing because you're trying to be too perfect. No carbs, no sugar, no flavor, no happiness. You're basically eating sadness wrapped in grilled chicken. Listen, consistency greater than perfection. Missing one salad doesn't ruin your goals, but that I already messed up so I might as well eat everything in the house mindset, that's the real villain. So stop blaming carbs. Blame the toxic all-or-nothing mindset. Eat like a person, not a sad robot. The goal isn't perfect. The goal is progress. One donut won't kill you, but quitting every time you slip up, that might. Save this before you rage order pizza again. And tag your starting again Monday friend. We all got one.